Hi guys, it's been a very long time since I did a makeup video for YouTube. So what I'm gonna do today is if you guys remember, I did this Instagram poll asking you to help me pick the makeup products. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so I've already put on my moisturizer and you can see all my imperfections. I have pimple right here and like a little small bump over here. Okay, so let's start with the brows. You guys chose fluff brows. So the very first thing that I'll do is to wax down on my head, all the brow hair. I'm currently using Anastasia Beverly Hills Wax Brow. Is such a good product. It actually holds down all your hair. I have that very cute pimple over there. I'm just gonna ignore it. Okay, so push all your brow hair upwards. I'm gonna draw really prominent, or just fill in all the blanks first. Okay, now I'm using concealer just to carve out my brows, just to clean all the edges. All the bald areas with this pencil. This pen. This is brow pen by Anastasia. Just doing it lightly. Okay, next I'll be doing my eyeshadows, and the palette that you guys picked is this Natasha Dinona palette. And you guys told me to do like a smoky look, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, as you can see over here, the palette looks really beautiful. Lots of warm shades going on. I think I'll go with the color Rich first. Okay, since I'm doing a smoky look, I'll bring the eyeshadows upwards and blend everything very smoothly. I'm using Magma right now at the outer corners. I want the outer corner to look darker, so I'm using a pencil brush to apply it and blend everything nicely. Now I'm using High Degree. I'm applying it still around the outer area, but not until the inner part of my eyelids. And then with a flat brush, I'm using True Copper, placing it in my inner corners. This is a smoothing primer. It's very good. I recommend you guys to try it out, especially if you have pores or very rough skin. I have a lot of broken capillaries, so yeah. If you guys have dry skin, this foundation would be perfect for you, but if you have oily skin, this is not the one for you. Set all the concealer in. Okay, this powder is definitely a holy grail product because it is their powder, right? It's very fine. It's not thick. It doesn't smell bad like what most of you shared with me. The S1 smells quite unpleasant. For my bronzer, you guys picked the NARS Laguna bronzer, and my jawline. Okay, next is blush. You guys helped me pick Tarte, and this is in the shade Natural Beauty. So I'm gonna put it just over here. For the final touch, I am using my Facefarm Beauty highlighter, and here. Can bring it up on my brow bone. So if you want more intense highlighter, I'll just give it a light spray. Look at that. Oh my god. Blend everything with my powder brush. I'll stop. This is by Too Faced. This is my favorite, all-time favorite nude lipstick. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.